Only these two ingredients can make a difference in your hair game. If you're suffering from alopecia, thinning, breakage, shedding and dry flaky scalp, you need this extra potent hair growth oil. If you experience slow hair growth, bald spots, dry hair strands and weak edges, you really need to make this powerful hair growth oil. With this hair growth oil, your hair will grow crazy fast and become too thick to handle. I've been using this oil for years now and I can tell you that it works. This hair oil is for all hair types, both for kinky, curly, coarse, as well as 3A to 4C hair types. This oil can be used for both hair and skin. Talking about skin, it can lighten you up and clear all your dark spots. This oil also helps lubricate the outermost skin layer cells and assist in restoration of moisture that could be lost due to evaporation. This oil is basically a must-have in your beauty cabinet. It has many uses from hair treatments to skin restoration. To begin, our first ingredient for this recipe is carrots. I'm just going to be using 3 sizable carrots like so. 2 of the main vitamins found in carrots are vitamin A and E. Vitamin E found in carrots can promote blood circulation to the scalp, which helps prevent hair loss. Vitamin A, on the other hand, strengthens hair and prevents breakage. It also known to help stimulate scalp and grow hair by activating the hair follicles. Beta-carotene rich carrots can help in preventing hair loss. They are rich in vitamin A, which can help in improving scalp health and strengthening hair follicles. Besides, carrots are also rich in fiber, vitamin C, K and B vitamins, phosphorus and potassium. Carrot is highly recommended for hair growth as it supplies the body with lots of vitamin E and C it may be lacking. These nutrients help improve blood circulation and thus increase circulation to the scalp. More circulation to the scalp equals vibrant and strong hair follicles. If you notice, I only washed my carrots and patted them dry. I did not scrape the outermost layer because that's where the nutrients are embedded. Using these two that I got from the market, not even up to $1, so cheap, I used the part that I showed you to shred my carrots. Please, if you don't have these two, you can use your grater. I'm using these two because I love how it shreds the carrot without bringing out so much water. So you can try these two out and see how it works for you. This is perfect for carrots, trust me. So I shredded my carrots, all 3 of the carrots. God is amazing in all his creation. If you ask me, I would say that carrot is the most beautiful veggie on earth. If you doubt me, please share yours in the comment section below. Which do you think is the most beautiful vegetable on earth? As for me, it's carrot. Look how beautiful this carrot is, well shredded, looking like abacha. Abacha is actually tapioca, just in case you're wondering. So moving on, I placed a pan on heat and then poured some coconut oil. I chose coconut oil for a reason, extra virgin coconut oil for a reason, because it's white. That will help me ascertain when the carrot has infused all its nutrients in this oil. Look how white this is, so you'll be able to know whether the carrot has released all its nutrients in the oil or not. If oil or any other oil that is not white can confuse you, I'm not saying it's bad to use any other oil. Please, if you have other oils, go ahead and use it. I want to use this coconut oil because I can see through it because it's white. I hope you understand me. Moving on, I poured about 2 cups of the coconut oil, about 200 ml worth of the coconut oil in the pan, and then heated that up a bit. Make sure to do this on low heat. Then I transferred my shredded carrot in it and began frying. Make sure to do this on low heat, else you're going to kill all the nutrients in this. If possible, you can do double boiler method, but I prefer this so that I don't see water in my oil. I love to use this method. Because you're doing this on the lowest of heat, I promise you this is going to take so much time, so you have to be patient enough. Stand by this, do not go anywhere because it's going to burn. You wouldn't want it to burn, so stand by this and stir continuously until you notice the carrots becoming crispy, a bit crispy or drying up a bit. When you start seeing more oil coming out, then you know that this is ready. When the carrots are no longer covering the oil, just know that this is ready. When you notice the carrots are shrinking a bit, just know that the oil is ready. Look at this oil right now, compare it to the time that I first started stirring it. You notice that the carrots are shrinking. The more I stir, the more the carrots shrinks. The more I stir, the more the carrots shrinks. So that's basically it. Once you are satisfied with your result, turn off your heat and allow to cool down completely. Once it's cool, you will notice that the carrots becomes darker. That doesn't mean that you burnt it. It actually means that the carrot has been on heat for long, so it's definitely going to change color. So go ahead and strain, then transfer into your applicator bottle, and it's ready for use. Carrot is an amazing vegetable. You can use it for so many things. You can eat it. I love to eat a lot of carrots. So as it is right now, you can use it to cook, you can use it for your hair, you can use it for your skin. You can add it in your lotions and use for your skin. You can use it for your hair, which is even more amazing. You can use it in your teas, in your paps, in your oats. Carrot oil is one oil that I've been using for so many years. If you check my first videos on this channel, you will see where I made carrot oil. I've been using carrot for so many years now and I never regretted it. So do more of carrot oil if you can. Use it for so many things and you'll be glad you did. Provided there is no moisture in this oil can last up to 6 months without going bad. You can use it to seal in moisture in your hair. You can add it to your deep conditioners. You can use it for your pre-poo. You can use it as your hot oil treatment. You can use it to massage your scalp. So many things you can use this oil for. So go ahead and give it a shot. Let me know how it works for you. Have you ever used carrot oil before? Have you ever used any product made with carrots? Share with me in the comment section below. That brings me to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched this video up to this point, thank you so much. I appreciate. You're the real MVP. Please give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel, and I will see you on my next